Whoa!
What is it?
This is what I'm talking about. What is super cool?
Do you know what that is?
No.
That's...
Oh, this might be cool, but Daddy.
What? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Daddy?
Oh, keep that face.
Awesome. This is the happiest birthday of my life.
No, please. Please don't. Please don't.
Oh, you got him. Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
Here, try to shoot the balloon, okay? I'll hold it up for you. Ready?
Whoa!
Oh my God!
You shot it. How did you do that, Wesley?
I don't know.
Shoot this one.
What's the movie called, Wesley?
That's it. I'm getting a gun.
Oh my God! Oh no!
Hey, let's
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wesley. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, blow him out.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, you can call this.
Cool.
Do the orange one over there. Whoa! That's awesome.
I'm
I know. Come on, bud. Come here, come here. We'll buy you another one, bud.
Hey.
We'll buy you one tomorrow, okay?
Listen.
Poor kid. Poor kid.
Look, it's thick.
Katie, step on him. Oh, she popped it. Good job. Sad. Oh, poor boy. Hey, Wesley. It's okay. I love you. Come here. Come to me. Come here. Tradition. Thank him. No, get back here, little girl. No, stay here, Katie. Here, we gotta spank him. It's his birthday. We gotta spank him. Bring him to me. Hang him upside down or something.
Okay, mommy spank him.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Daddy.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Katie's turn. Come on, Katie.
Katie's
What?
turn.
Come on. Spank him. Spank, 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 spank.
I'm fighting a dragon.
Whoa. Oh.